Introducing the Travelers News team. Hey there, I'm Jay, and get ready for an exciting adventure. Get ready to be captivated. Fellow globe travelers, we've got the inside scoop on the most innovative drone packages that are revolutionizing the way travel lovers explore. So take a look at this demo, my friends, just to give you some insight of what's going on. These high-end drones are perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage and photos during your travels. Imagine soaring above breathtaking landscapes, exploring hidden gems, and reliving your adventures in crystal clear detail. But that's not all. These drone packages also offer advanced features like GPS tracking, obstacle avoidance, and even air-powered flight modes. Plus, they are portable and easy to use, making them the perfect travel companion. Drones have revolutionized the way we capture and share our travel memories. With these state-of-the-art drone packages, your travel adventures will reach new heights, both physically and visually. And imagine this: with the aid of an innovative drone technology, you can immortalize breathtaking aerial scenes at your chosen location, unlock secret treasures such as majestic cliffs, cascading waterfalls, or age-old remnants, embrace an unparalleled perspective of your environment, ultimately attaining a profound understanding of your surroundings. So, fellow adventurers, when you're planning your next trip, consider investing in a high-end drone package. It's the key to unlock a whole new world of exploration and breathtaking shots. Let your imagination run wild and capture moments that will last a lifetime. And there you have it, my fellow adventurers. Prepare to have your minds blown as high-end drone packages absolutely reshape the way us travel enthusiasts discover the wonders of the world. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey like no other. Hey there. Guess what? In the description, not only did I sneak in a paid link, but it actually takes you to this amazingly affordable drone that has all the features of a high-end drone. How awesome is that? You definitely don't want to miss out on this deal, trust me. Don't forget to hit that like button for this amazing video. Your support helps us bring you even more valuable content for your incredible adventures. Big thanks for visiting the Travel News team. Stay tuned for our upcoming video and have an incredible time on your travels.